So you're trying to edit your AWeber landing page, but for some reason, it just won't let you. Maybe certain elements are locked, customization options seem limited, or changes don't save properly. Before you pull your hair out, let's break down exactly why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. Plus, at the end, I'll show you a much better alternative if you want full control over your landing pages without these headaches. First, AWeber's landing page builder is more rigid compared to dedicated page builders like ClickFunnels, GetResponse, or ConvertKit. It's designed to be simple, but that also means you get fewer customization options. If you're trying to edit something outside of the predefined templates, you're going to run into limitations. Next, some elements on AWeber landing pages are locked because they're tied to compliance and deliverability standards. For example, if you're using a sign-up form, certain fields can't be removed or heavily modified because AWeber wants to ensure emails are collected properly for their system. That's great for email marketing best practices, but frustrating if you want full design freedom. Another thing that could be stopping you is caching issues. If you're making edits but they aren't saving, try clearing your browser cache or switching to incognito mode. Sometimes, AWeber's editor can be slow to update changes, making it seem like you're locked out of editing when it's actually just a refresh issue. Then, there's the mobile responsiveness problem. AWeber automatically adjusts pages for mobile, but you don't get much control over how they actually look. If you're trying to adjust spacing, fonts, or layout specifically for mobile, you're probably realizing it's not as flexible as something like Unbounce or Lee Pages. Lastly, if you're using an embedded third-party script, like a tracking pixel or external form, AWeber might block certain edits for security reasons. Some custom scripts can interfere with how the page loads, and AWeber prevents changes that could break functionality. Now, AWeber is still great for simple email marketing, but if you want full control over your landing pages, it's not the best choice. After trying all of them myself, I found a much better option that gives you full flexibility, better integrations, and an easier way to edit your landing pages without restrictions. If you want to take advantage of the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, check out the first link in the description.